dun. Oh, dito kami sa asidera ng Tanawan. Huling hirit. Huling hirit ni Isa. Magtingin-tingin ng yun lang.
Nakagoods na yun.
Asidera, 250 lang pala.
Marami pa kayong pagpipilihan. Short, dalawa 180. Pasok ng mga sushi.
Ayan dyan. Dito ate oh. Ayan dyan. Oh, teka mo. Oh, dami. Dami ah. Oh, you choose which one do you like.
Which one? New toy?
Oh, new toy. Go. Sige, pili. Huling hirit. Go, walk. Walk na. What's this? Is this for baby girl?
If I look up, A is for, can you read? A is for, read. Louder.
B is for bird.
Yes.
Yes.
Read. You want this?
Ayun mag-aral.
Let's buy this.
I don't want to buy it. Just read.
Yeah. Ayun o. Alin?
Do you want this? M is for,
Watch your steps. Yun, nakakita rin ng hindi toys. Oh, nakakita ng hindi toys. Headband. Oh, watch your steps. Oh, I told you. Watch your steps. Nakakita din ng hindi toys. Headband.
where? You want headband?
Sa gulo, nagtitingin lang siya. What's that? Mirror. You like mirror? Ha?
I want something.
Oy, you get that? You want that? You need to pay first.
Yeah, I want.
Oh.
I have to buy something else.
Oh, what's your step? Oh, look, what's your step?
There's other toy.
Isa lang ate may-ari nito lahat. Isa lang magbabayad.
Daddy, do you already have toys?
Hmm?
Do you have toys?
Toys?
I want.
But are you a good girl?
Yeah.
Oy. But you don't listen to daddy anymore.
Daddy, I want this one. I did.
Okay. You try. You try if it fits for you. Hindi naman ganyan magsuot ng headband eh. I'll show you, okay? Like this, oh. Ayan. Gumalaw kay. Wow.
I don't want headband.
Suotan mo nga kuya ng headband.
Parang pang lalaki. Oh, it's not like that. It's like this. Wear this one.
Look, look at this one. You want slippers?
Slippers lang.
You want this?
Baka sa gilid doon. Lakad doon. Look, look there. The other one. Laging kaya napipili. Kaya mo lang siya mag-sightseeing. Tingin doon. Dito maganda maglakad kasi pasalubong ka sa sasakyan. Nakikita mo sa sasakyan. Naka doon. Naka doon.
Migil ka, mamaya ka nang isipin niya, nang isipin niya yung gagawa.
Natakot ako. Sorry. Hindi ko
Oo, kuya. Tingin-tingin lang ho ah.
Okay lang.
Ask them how much. Ask how much. You ask them how much.
150 lang.
How much? Huh?
150.
Oh, you have 150? Oh, let's go. Let's check other one.
Bilhin mo na kasi
Uy. You like that? Ano ba yan? Ate, pwede matignan? Buksan mo nga, pakita mo nga sa loob sa kanya para ano. Ah, may ano siya. May handle din siya. Yan pala eh. Tapos, same lang yan isa ha. Pares lang yan. Ah, ganyan. Oh, yan. Oh, ano na may lalagay mo dyan? What do you put inside?
money.
Lagayin ba na ano yan? Lagayin ng ano, kahit na ano, mabubot na. Wala nang bawas yan.
150 lang.
Ah, ikot mo na tayo isa. Nakakita ka lang na may, ano ba mukha nun? Lalabo pala yun isa. Ayoko niyan. Lalabo. Ate, salamat ha. Bakit? Naka dun sa may toys. May truck.
Daddy!
Ayan na, nakakita na.
Hello, Kitty. Hello, bigay ko lang.
Ayan.
Lalo pa kayo na isa, ang dami napipili. Pili lang ng pili. Ano, wala? Oh, careful with the electric pan ha. Oh. Careful.
Ay, ito?
Like that?
Dito, naandar. Gusto mo to?
Alin?
May baterya. May battery din to. Natakbo.
LC kuya, sa likod mo.
Gusto mo?
Pwede ba patayin muna yung electric?
Oo, sige.
Patayin mo nga muna kuya. Patayin mo muna na.
Gusto mo yan?
Uy, saan nalaglag na?
Gusto mo yan?
Magkano yung ganyan natin?
180. Pwede mo 50. Yun o, may iba pang yan.
Like that?
Gusto mo yan? Dito pa o. Ganito lang.
Ito na lang. Alin, which one do you like? You like dog? Yan na lang. 150 na lang ate. Sorry kuya. Oh.
Libre battery pa to.
Oh. Yan na ba? Yan na bibigay mo?
Oo.
So you like that?
Ayusin mo yung tali.
Akin na ito. Malulubat, patay mo muna. Sa bahay na lang. Ganito yan. Yun. Mamaya.
I can do this. Daddy,
Thank you.
Salamat. Thank you. Sira na agad yata.
I think we need to put some battery.
Kaya pala hindi tinapaalas na yung battery. Kaya hindi tinapaalas.
Gusto yung battery eh.
Let's go home.
Let's buy battery.
I can
Mas may baterya kayo dyan.
Daddy, I can open the battery.
Oh, we will buy it. Let's go. Ate, may dita kayong baterya dyan? Baterya? Wala. Boss, may tinda kayong baterya dyan? Dito siguro din. Oh, ask them. Ask, ask them if they have battery. Ask her. May baterya po kayo? Baterya?
Ng pang.
Dito.
Wala ano din. Sa laruan dapat. Ay, dyan.
Oh. Go there, ask them. Dito pala may laruan din eh oh. Dito pala may laruan din eh. Ate, may baterya kayo dyan? Para dyan? Wala. Dito pala may laruan eh. Isa oh, minimum 3 pieces oh, 100 lang. Kahit ano dyan ate, 3 pieces, 100. May ganito kayo? Wala.
Kung ano lang po yun.
Kaya na lang dyan.
Sa iyo, pinagkama ng pera si ate.
Hindi makawala ang doggy. What's the name of your dog?
Papa Joe.
Huh?
Papa Joe.
Papa, what? What's her name?
That is Papa Joe.
Papa Jar?
No, Papa Joe.
Papa Jar?
No, it's a doggy. That is the same daddy called doggy.
Doggy.
That dog can walk.
Ikot-ikot lang siya. Ikot-ikot.
Tika.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.